welcome back my friend in my new and very most informative video. Because of that, in this video I can show you how can you unlock your smartphone when after hard reset you configure your smartphone and you are stuck in this page. Means this page asking to enter your Gmail ID account credential, but you forgetted your Gmail ID and password. So how can you easily bypass this Google FRP lock in just only 5 minutes without using any computer and without using any kind of software tool? So let's start the video first. If you have any Android version like 11, 12, 13, 14 and latest 15, and if you have any version of Samsung smartphone like A series, S series, M series, F series, J series, so this video is especially for you if you have any kind of Samsung smartphone. But before starting this method, you can see here, if your battery percentage is less than 25%, you have to connect the charging cable to your smartphone. Okay, and when your charging is started, you can see here, you can apply the service center offline unlocking method into this Samsung smartphone. So first of all, when your smartphone sufficient charge minimum 25%, you don't required to connect the data cable. You can easily remove the data cable. Okay, after that my friend, you have to go back to the main page, means first page. Okay, and this is Android 15. If you have Android 13, 14, so this method is also working on those models. Okay, so you have to click the start button here first, and after that you have to click the agree button here, and here you have to click setup manually option first. And when this Wi-Fi page comes, you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or maybe mobile hotspot. And after successful connecting your smartphone with the internet, you have to do some important changes here. First of all, you have to go back again to the main page, and here you have to open your emergency call option page here. When this page comes into your mobile screen, you have to dial a very important secret code here, and the code is *#0*#. When this page comes into your mobile screen, you can see here there are lots of options here. So first of all, you have to find the sensor option here. If you find the sensor option, you have to touch to open here, and when this page comes, you have to wait only 3 to 5 seconds, and when you realize 3 to 5 seconds has been completed, so go back to the previous page, and here you can see here that the three options, red, green and blue. So you have to open this and tap anywhere to go back at any moment. Okay, you have to do the same thing with green and blue. Okay, click blue and tap anywhere to go back. Done my friend. Go back to the main page, means welcome page. After that, you have to change your region to English US. Okay, so you have to find the English US option and select this and click OK. Done. Your smartphone is ready to unlock. Okay, so you have to again open your emergency call option page here, and when this page comes, you have to dial another secret code here, and the code is *19144*34301*9*#. You have to dial this code into your emergency call option page, and when this code you entered, you have to dial this call for one time only and wait for 5 seconds. And when you realize the 5 seconds has been completed successfully, you have to go back and start your configuration with some important action. Okay, so configure your smartphone, click agree, click setup manually, and here you have to connect the internet, and after that you have to click the add network option here, and here when you come in this page, your keyboard option will be appear here. So after that, in this keyboard section, you find this setting option, a small setting icon. So you have to click to open this setting page, and when this setting page comes into your mobile screen, you can see here there are lots of options here. So first of all, you have to go to the more typing option here, and here you have to turn off all these options one by one. Okay, turn off. Go back again and go to the last option. This is reset to default settings. So click here to open, and maybe in your smartphone 2 option or 4 option. Okay, so you have to reset or delete all the options here. So start the process. When done, go back, and again you have to find text shortcut option here. So click here, and here you have to click add, and here you have to type capital FRP lock unlock, and on the second line you have to type star hash 812 star 813 and hash, and click add option here. Done. Go back and go to the first option. This is language and types option. So click here to open here. Click the second option, manage input languages, and here you have to find again English US option and turn on. After that you have to turn off all these except English US, and go to the right side corner 3 dot. So you have to click the 3 dot, click check for updates, and wait for few moments, and click update and wait for installation this update. When done, go back, again go back and click the next button here, and wait for the result. This method will work or not. And if you find this pin pattern password option here, so click use my Google account instead here, and wait the result. But you can see here there are no any skip option comes in this page, means you cannot unlock your smartphone. So I'm going to use another step here. So go back, and when this page comes into your mobile screen, you have to click Galaxy or Android devices, and here you got this barcode. So you have to arrange another Android smartphone, any Android smartphone, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, any Android smartphone, and you have to open this another smartphone. And when you open this, you got this prompt into your Samsung smartphone or any other Android smartphone. So you have to click the setup option only here, and again you have to scan this barcode, and after that you can see here, my friend, you have to take some important step here one by one, and you have to draw this pattern lock into this phone. So you have to click this and done, my friend. You can remove this Android smartphone from this setup, and after that, my friend, you can see here you have to click you can see here we got this skip message here. So click to skip, and again skip, and click skip again, click don't copy, and done. Your Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked now. You can configure your smartphone as usual, but you don't try to skip this video or leave this video until this smartphone will be open. Okay, so you have to follow all these steps one by one into your locked Samsung smartphone if you seriously want to unlock your Samsung smartphone into your at your home without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. From this service center offline method, you can unlock any Samsung smartphone at your home. If you have any queries regarding this method, so you can comment us with your specific Samsung model name. Please mention your Samsung smartphone model name. After that, we will provide a specific video to you within 1 to 10 hours, so that you will be also able to unlock your any kind of Samsung smartphone at your home at free of cost. And done, my friend. You can see here this Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked by using this amazing service center offline method. By using this method, you can unlock any version of Samsung smartphone or Android version. Okay, so you can sign in with the new Gmail ID account credential in this Samsung smartphone now. And if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.